My name is Roeder. I am the Director of Benefit Operations at the Accel Group, which is an insurance agency in the state of Iowa. I have had over 20 years of experience in the benefits industry. I came from largest carrier in the state of Iowa. I came to the Accel Group, our agency, about 4 years ago, and I lead a team of benefit account managers, our system specialist, and our benefits specialist. Before we moved to Applied Benefits Designer, each team, each producer had a different way of presenting to our clients. Some of those were Excel spreadsheets, some of them were created in Word, and so they all had a different type of feel. So when we moved to Applied Benefit Designer, that really streamlined our brand for our agency and it streamlined what each client received from our team as Accel Group as a whole. So if a client moved from one producer to another or a different account manager, they received the same documents, the same feel, the same deliverables as they did before. My employees have made comments about Applied Benefit Designer in the fact that they don't have to type in all the benefit attributes of a policy. They don't have to type in rates. It's very easy to spreadsheet those plans that we want to look at and provide it to the provider in a very succinct, branded spreadsheet. So it makes their job a lot easier, and it's consistent across all the account managers in our department. It's very important for our solutions, our technology solutions in our department to all work with Applied Epic for the reason of it reduces that redundancy, it improves efficiencies. Applied Benefits Designer has really made our process more efficient. It reduced the number of data that we had to input in several different places, either in Applied Epic, Applied Benefit Designer, Employee Navigator. So it really reduced the redundancies that we saw in our work process. So we put the data in once in Applied Benefits Designer, and we were able to output that into Applied Epic and then now into Employee Navigator. What excites me the most about the integration with Employee Navigator is, number one, we already had Employee Navigator, so it was very exciting to hear that two of our significant technology partners that kind of joined forces. So we were familiar with Employee Navigator, we're familiar with Applied Epic, so that marriage, if you will, was really exciting. Again, just the reducing the redundancies of typing in information over and over really excited my team. We are saving time, we are improving our accuracy, and again, being more efficient. So if we are able to download rates into Applied Benefits Designer, we're able to output that in or push that into Applied Epic and then into Employee Navigator, and we don't have to check it. We know it's correct. We know we pushed it, so it's going to be all accurate. A win for our agency, specifically our benefits department, of using the technology is that we have a more visible look at our entire book of business. We're more able to accurately maintain our records, having accurate data, again, typing it in once instead of several times. So it really is a big win when using Applied Epic, Applied Benefits Designer, and Employee Navigator.